Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to upgrade Picsart to Pro on phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to upgrade your Picsart app to Premium or Pro on your phone, first open up your Picsart app on your phone as I've already opened it. And after opening a Picsart app, guys, at the top of the screen you can see the Try Pro button over there. Either you can tap on that or tap on the person or the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. I'll be tapping on the person icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And over here, after opening this interface, which is the account page of your profile, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon. Tap on it and you can see the upgrade to Pro button available for us over here. Tap on upgrade to Pro, and with that being done, guys, you can see either you can choose the 1 month or the 12 month for which duration do you want to upgrade it. And after that, after tapping on the duration of the period which you want to upgrade, tap on the continue button, and after that you'll be required to enter your credit card details or payment details through which you will be able to pay for your Picsart Pro. And with that being said, guys, tap on add credit or debit card and proceed to enter your information of your debit or your credit card, and then your fund will be deducted from your account. And with that being done, guys, the fund amount of the Pro of the Picsart app will be deducted from your account and it will be upgraded to Pro. And with that being said, guys, this is how to upgrade Picsart to Pro. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.